If you're serious about drinking the purest water possible at home, a water distiller is one of the most effective ways to get it. In this video, we'll break down the 5 best water distillers for drinking water in 2025. Let's start with one of the most trusted names in the distiller world, the Megahome MH943 SBS stainless steel water distiller. This model is often considered the gold standard for home water distillers, and for good reason. It's UL listed, meaning it has been independently tested and certified for safety. The interior chamber and condensing coils are made from 316 grade stainless steel, which is more corrosion resistant than the 304 grade found in many competing models. It produces about 1 gallon of distilled water every 5.5 hours and includes a durable glass collection bottle and activated carbon filters to remove volatile organic compounds. The Megahome MH943 SBS is ideal for daily drinking water use, especially for people with CPAP machines or those needing ultra-pure water for health or medical reasons. Its automatic shutoff adds peace of mind, and users love how clean and neutral the water tastes. Next up is the VEVOR 4L stainless steel water distiller, a popular and more affordable alternative. This model features a 750-watt heating element and distills 1 gallon of water in roughly 3.8 hours, significantly faster than most units in its price range. The entire interior is stainless steel, and it comes with a BPA-free plastic collection container. It also includes carbon filters for added purification. While it's not UL certified like the Megahome, it offers excellent value for those who want speed and effectiveness without breaking the bank. The VEVOR is especially well suited for families who consume multiple gallons of distilled water each week and want to reduce bottled water expenses. Our third recommendation is the H2o Labs Model 300SS, which many consider to be the best premium option. What sets this model apart is its attention to design details, like the use of a porcelain nozzle insert that prevents any contact between hot steam and plastic. It features a brushed stainless steel exterior, a glass carafe, and a specially optimized 565-watt heating element that minimizes scaling while maximizing efficiency. It's slightly more expensive than the VEVOR and COZ models, but the craftsmanship and water quality are exceptional. It's perfect for discerning users who want the highest purity levels and don't mind paying a little extra for long-term durability and taste quality. Coming in at number 4 is the COZ 1.1 gallon stainless steel water distiller, a reliable middle ground unit that combines practicality with good build quality. Like the others, it uses a 750-watt heating element and includes automatic shutoff to prevent overheating. It comes with a stainless steel inner chamber and a glass carafe for safe water storage. While it's not as fast as the VEVOR, the COZ model is praised for its quiet operation, consistent performance, and minimal maintenance. It's an excellent choice for home kitchens or small offices where you want a dependable unit without spending top dollar. Finally, we have the VIVOHOME 4L900W water distiller, which is ideal for users who need higher capacity and faster water production. Thanks to its 900-watt heating element, it can distill a gallon of water in approximately 3 hours, making it one of the fastest countertop models available. It features a full stainless steel interior, digital temperature control, and a BPA-free collection bottle. The VIVOHOME unit is a great pick for large families or anyone who needs several gallons of pure water per day for drinking, cooking, or pet care. While the design is slightly bulkier than others, its performance makes up for the extra counter space.